Okay, here we want to factor completely, and sometimes you would see factor by substitution. They would give you a little hint, but if they didn't, still you should know this is the expression that can be factored by substitution this easily. Can somebody tell me what would be a first step? This is factored by substitution. What do we have to do first? So you want to let p minus 5 be something else, right? We want to pick another variable. Let's call it w. Call it anything you want. So this is what it means by factor by substitution. You want to let p minus 5 equal to another variable. As you see, if I square both sides, p minus 5 squared then would be w squared. Do you see that? So if I go back and substitute here, everywhere I see p minus 5 squared, I'm going to replace it with w squared. And everywhere I see p minus 5, I'm going to substitute that, replace it with w. Now you see I'm forcing this to be a second order equation now. It's not a first order equation anymore. So if I factor this, then I can go back and substitute for every w its corresponding value in terms of p, then I would have my factor form in terms of p. We have 6w squared, so there are one choice for w squared with the w and w here. But how about for 6? Which one are you going to pick? We have a choice, 1 and 6, 2 and 3. And then if you look at 3 here, which goes for the second number inside the parentheses, the possibilities for 3 would be only 1 and 3. So the possibility for 3 would be 1 and 3 or 3 or 1. Keep in mind when you multiply the two closest term and two furthest term, you want to get 11w out of that. So now you have two choices, 1 and 6 and 2 and 3. Which one do you want to pick? 2 and 3? Okay. Now we can put 2 and 3. If you want to start with 2 and 3, that's fine. Now we have a choice, either put the 2 here or put 2 here. If you kind of look at this, if I put 2 here, 2 times 3 give me 6. And then I have 3 here. And does that give me 11? No. So if I put 2 here and 3 here, when I multiply the two closest term and two furthest term, it doesn't give me 11. So maybe you want to put 2 here then. Okay? So if I put 2 there, you can always switch them around. If I put 2 here and 3 here, then I can examine this if that's the right combination. This would be 2w. That would be what? 9w. Can I get 11 out of that? Sure enough, I can get 11 now if both are positive. This is how you factor by trial and error, and we're done. You may want to check and see if the last term still would be the product of this constant. 1 times 3 is 3 is. First two terms give me this term. Two closest term and two furthest term add up to 11w. Now what I have to do now is everywhere I see w, I have to replace it with what? p minus 5. So there are a couple of places I have to do that. So I'm going to place, instead of w, put p minus 5 here. That's 1. In the second parentheses, I have another place, I see w, p minus 5 plus 3. Then I'm going to remove the parentheses by distributing this. So I get 3p minus what? 15 plus 1. Then here I get 2p minus 10 plus 3, which is 3. So I get 3p minus 14. And here I get 2p minus what? 7. This is how you factor this. It would be 3p minus 14 times 2p minus 7. We are using substitution method here to factor this.